Did you know Google knows everything you're doing online, even things you haven't told it? Stay with me and I'll show you exactly how much Google knows about you, from your personal moments to your deepest habits. So, let's dive in. First, let's start with something we all know, Google Tracks, which is your searches. Whenever you look up anything on Google, it doesn't just forget. Google remembers everything you search. In fact, Google's algorithm is designed to predict what you might search for next based on your past searches. For example, you might have Googled best pizza near me a few days ago. The next time you search, it could even suggest pizza places you didn't know existed. But here's the thing. Google keeps track of all your searches, including your most personal ones, like health issues or even embarrassing questions. And it stores them in its databases. But that's not all. Except people in China, we all use Google Maps. Well, they know every route you've taken. Not just the destination, but also your entire journey, from the coffee shop you visited to the gym you drive to, and all this data is saved. They track your location history, even when you're not actively using it. And let me tell you something more sensitive. Even if you turn off location tracking, Google can still gather data from Wi-Fi networks and other devices to piece together your whereabouts. Pretty wild, right? Now let's go deeper. Do you remember that trip you took last summer? Or that picture you took with your friends? Google Photos doesn't just store these photos, it analyzes them. It can recognize faces, locations, and even objects. For example, you can search your photos by saying, "Show me all pictures with my dog." And Google will pull all the pictures with your best friend in a second. And finally, there's Google Drive. Documents, spreadsheets, presentations, you name it. You might think your files are private, but if you're using Google Drive, you're giving Google access to every file you store in their cloud. And that means Google gets a glimpse into your work life, your projects, and even the things you're working on at home. And yes, Google also knows about that one file you store passwords on. That's why I will share with you the notebook I use myself to store all my passwords. For me, it's better than any other online solution because we all know that nothing online is secure 100%. So you can get it now and keep your data safe and offline. That's everything I can tell you about what Google knows about you. I want to go deeper in this topic, but I still need to keep this channel running. Sign 6. You pick up your phone and notice the flash has turned on or your camera app is open, even though you didn't touch it. This is one of the scariest signs. Hackers can gain access to your camera and microphone, spying on you in real time.